everyone, welcome back to Lidhu's Nail Art Designs. In this video, I will be showing you a cute and easy Mickey Mouse nail art that you can try comfortably at your home even if you are a completely beginner or working with short nails. So let's get started. Apply a base coat to protect your nails and create a smooth base. This step is very important because it helps the design look neat and last longer. If you are new here, my name is Lidhu and on this channel I share simple nail art design that you can easily do at your home even if you are completely beginner. Now let it dry for a few minutes. I like this lavender color. What's your opinion? Say in the comment section. I'm keeping this nail art design cute, simple and beginner friendly so it looks beautiful even on short nails. Using basic tools like a dotting tool or a toothpick, we can make this look. I will be drawing 4 Mickey Mouses on one nail, so for that I will apply 4 dots on each nail. You don't need professional tools or salon experience, just enjoy this process. Now take little amount of color and draw a cute ear for our Mickey. Do the exact steps shown in this video. Remember, nail art does not have to be perfect. Small imperfection actually add charm to handmade designs. Work gently and clean your tool to keep the design neat. If you're trying for the first time, don't worry if it takes a bit longer. Pause the video, practice and continue. Nail art is all about learning and enjoying creativity. Always remember to use dark shade on top of light color and vice versa. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's really a great support to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy nail art tutorial for creative ideas. Let me know in the comments which nail art design should I try next. No fancy tool, no pressure, just relaxing nail art. This design is perfect if you are just starting your nail art journey or if you have short nails or if you do not want anything complicated. A toothpick, a hairpin or even the back of the bobby pin works perfectly. Remember, simple tools can still create natural beautiful nail art. If you guys have any doubts, don't forget to ask in the comments. This design is cute, simple and even classy. This nail art matches every style and also is suitable for everyday life, also in school, colleges